Hello, welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Toyota Tundra SR5, featured in cement gray with a black interior. Comes equipped with a 5.7 liter V8 engine as well as a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as adaptive cruise control, AC, rear view camera, heated seats, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these huge doors with lots of storage and cup holders on the bottom. Speakers are also going to be on the bottom. It's going to have that black and chrome accent finish with the power lock and the power mirrors as well. Power windows and the lighting control will be inside here. So we're going to have our power adjustable heated cloth bucket seat there as well. And when we get in, obviously, like I said, you can access your mirrors as well as your lighting control and your cargo lamps. Just start this up. Left side here, you're going to have your volume control as well as your voice recognition. And on the right side, you're going to have your lane keep assist as well as your sensor. And the right side there, you're going to have your cruise control setting as well. You're going to have the Toyota odometer there as well. You can access your oil life and your trip economy. Here down low, you're going to have your Tundra badging as well as your climate control. You're going to have 3 USB ports as well as your traction control, left and right heated seat, as well as a 12-volt DC port. You're going to have this infotainment system as well as touchscreen. You can also access other things such as your audio as well as your menu here. Other apps included. You'll have to update it, but it can access your Apple Carplay and Android Auto as well. Here you're going to have the center console there. You're going to have 3 cup holders there with a little extra storage compartment. Open this up, you're going to have huge room there inside. You're going to have a 12-volt DC port as well. And on the right side, you're going to have that same finish there as well. On the dash, you're going to have that chrome accent, like I said. You're going to have a little storage up top. And of course, you're going to have your Tundra badging mats. And as well as you're going to have your reading lamp and a little classic sunglass case holder. You're going to have these 18-inch black and steel alloy wheels here as well. You're running on Toyo tires 275. Of course, you're going to have the Tundra badging and the plastic black mirror and door handle, as well as you're going to have the paint match mirror, door handle in the back. Of course, you're going to have your chrome bumper, as well as your trailer hitch and your 5th wheel under. As well as you're going to have a backup camera there as well. It's an easy lift gate, no bed liner of course, but it's a very spacious rear. In the rear, we're going to have that kind of same style with no storage compartment on the side. You're just going to have the speaker and just the power window there as well. Of course, when you lift these up, you can access under the seat as well. Hopping in, you're only going to have storage on the passenger side, unfortunately, but pull this down, you get a little extra cup holder and a little 12-volt DC port there as well. Thank you so much for watching today as we had this quick review on this 2021 Toyota Tundra SR5, featuring in cement gray with a black interior and a 5.7 liter V8 engine as well as a 6-speed automatic transmission. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.